Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is video number 2 in my festival series, and it's also a giveaway. Woohoo! If you haven't entered my previous giveaway, it ends in 2 weeks. I think it ends in 2 weeks, maybe more than that. But I'll link that other video down below. That one has a flower crown. Please shut up, phone. That one includes flowers as a kind of prosthetic on your head, and it's really, really cool, and it's monochromatic blue. This one, clearly I went more the rainbow route, and it is inspired by 5 Seconds of Summer, one of my favorite bands of all time. So yeah, this is actually based off of their album artwork and their song and album Youngblood that is coming out in June. Youngblood the song and Want You Back are already out, so I will link those down below for you to check out, and I will also link down below where you can pre-order 5 Seconds of Summer's new album. It's out again June 22nd, and I'm very, very excited for it. I got to go see them in May. No, I got to see them in April in Minneapolis, and it was really, really fun. It was a really, really small show, and I actually got a set list from the show because I made friends with Andy. He is a dope human being. Everyone should go check out his work as well. Before we get into the video, I'm just going to let you know what the giveaway for this one is. You will be winning a Softglam eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and also a $25 gift card from Sephora. So yay, fun stuff. Woo. If you want to enter that giveaway, enter down below. You have to be subscribed, so do that now. You don't want to miss out. And you also have to comment down below if you guys like 5 Seconds of Summer too, and if you do, what's your favorite song from them? Because I'm obsessed and I have an issue. Yay! Without further ado, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell if you want to know when I post new videos. I'm doing 2 more videos like this in my festival series, and yeah, don't forget to do all that stuff below, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so for today, I'm only going to be using one eyeshadow, which is pretty convenient, and that one is from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, the middle of the top here, this brilliant yellow shade that I really like. And then also, as an alternative, you could use this NYX eyeshadow that I have here. This is, I think, runs about $4 and is extremely pigmented and very good. And I might actually use a little bit of this as well, just for a little brighter color on my lid. So to start, we're just going to take this big fluffy M511 brush and run this yellow shade all through the crease, and I'm taking a lot of pigment. A lot of pigment on this brush right now, and I did not set my eye with anything. I want it to just be natural and let the stickiness hold the yellow pigment so that we get more color showing through. And I'm just blowing this out so that the transition from yellow to my natural skin color is really seamless. Now I'm just going to be taking this kind of flat crease brush, and I'm going to actually be using it to pack on color to my lid. My lid brush currently has glitter on it, so I don't want to use it yet. But just know there's going to be glitter in this look. And I'm just taking that to buff the color more concentrated onto the lid, and taking it up slightly into the crease and just buffing it back and forth so we have that nice color all over. And now just with my finger, I'm just going to go ahead and take some of this yellow and put it on the center. I'm doing this just because this is more of a neon yellow than the other yellow, and I just want it to be a little bit brighter on this outer corner of my eye and the center of the lid. And you'll see why I'm not doing the inner corner in a second, because we're going to put some glitter there. Next up, we are going to be doing our red liner. I thought of this because of the writing on the Youngblood album. The words Youngblood are in red, and I immediately thought, ooh, I could do some red eyeliner with that. And red and yellow go really, really well together, so I thought that would be a good complementing color, if that makes sense. To do my eyeliner, I normally will hold my pinky on my cheekbone and then drag up from the outer corner of my eye to where I want the liner to end. And this one is going to be a really big, thick eyeliner just because I want the red to stand out within the yellow itself. And you know, go big or go home. Oh yeah, that is a thick wing. I'm just gonna swirl that on the back of my hand here, using a little brush, and then I'm going to use the brush to mark where I want the glitter to sit on my eyeball. Because the good thing about this stuff is if I don't put the glitter glue there, the glitter won't stick. And I'm just using this glitter from Too Faced. It looks like this. It's from the Nikki Tutorials collection, and it's actually really, really pretty. So just taking that, and I'm going to place it on the eye. And it's real pretty. And I like it, this glitter, because it kind of shifts to a yellow color when put on top of yellow. Which is awesome, because that's like the perfect thing to happen with this look. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes. The thing about me and lashes is that they don't work together very well, so I'm not going to do this on camera. But if you know how to do lashes or don't know, I will link a video for applying lashes down below. Crispy made a really, really good one, so I will link that for you guys below.
One eternity later.
Alright you guys, I finally got the lashes on. It actually took me a really long time because they weren't cooperating. So now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and finish my face makeup so I can come back and show you guys how to do the gems. And then we're going to finish off the eyes. And yeah, it's a pretty quick one, this video, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. Alright you guys, so for the gems, I decided I wanted to do a voiceover. These are a little bit more difficult to put on than the flowers from the last video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. Make sure to enter that giveaway. So I was just placing them with liquid latex. Eyelash glue definitely does not work for this. The gems are a bit too heavy. And I just added a little bit more of a time lapse for you so you could see what I did. But basically, I laid them out on the table in front of me how I would want them. You can do the exact same thing, or you could lay them out differently. I went for more of a crown style across my head. You could definitely use more gems or less gems, do whatever you want. I ended up adding 2 straight gems near my eyebrows that I really liked, and then I mirrored them on the top, and I didn't like that, so I eventually take them off. And then one of the gems did fall off as well, so I replaced that at the end here. But I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys can be as free as you want with this. Use as many gems as you want. You can do less, more, whatever you want. And this is just what I was feeling in the moment. And I actually picked these gems because they reflected the same colors off of the Youngblood album, or colors that were very similar to, and I thought they complemented the yellow and red very well as well. So that's basically what this portion is. And then I also did all of my face makeup off camera, so I will link the video down below teaching you how I do that. I use my everyday routine for that part. So yeah, let's get into the final portion, which is the lips. Alright you guys, so we've got them glued to my head. Sorry that I did it on voiceover. I was just having a really hard time sticking them to my face. So yeah, but they're all glued on. It kind of looks like a crown, which is kind of cool. I kind of like that. And don't worry about the white spots. It's just liquid latex. Still drying and it dries clear. So that's really, really nice. And finally, for the last step, we're just going to put on a lip color. And for this one, I wanted to match the eyes. So I'm going to go with a red. I'm going to be using American Doll and a little bit of Bittersweet from A Dose of Colors. So let's get to it. Okay, normally they would be conflicting colors, but I kind of like how the red is pairing with the blue-green reflections of the gems. And I'm just going to go a little bit with Bittersweet. To brighten it up just a tad. I feel like Sailor Moon. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun creating this look and basing it off the artwork of the album and the writing on the album. But yes, so check that album out, enter my giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.